What's up, Tech Nation? Everybody knows that I bought a new iPhone. Everybody knows I wanted the iPhone XR, but I settled for the iPhone XS Max. I spent a little bit more for a little bit more. I heard the iPhone XR is comparable to like the iPhone 5 and I just got scared. And I'm like, no, I don't want the iPhone 5, I'm on the iPhone 7. Why do I want to go backwards? So I did a little research that the camera is far surpassing anything out there. The iPhone XS Max even beats the iPhone XS camera. Let me show you some of the pros and cons and hand gestures because it was a little confusing to me, so I'm trying to help you out. On the iPhone XS Max, there's no way to have it laying on the table and turn it on. Unfortunately, that was one of the downfalls. Because I tried to turn my, see, I can't even, oh, I can. Okay, cool. See, I don't even know yet. You could swipe up and the face is going to do the Face ID. And since it doesn't see my face because I'm far away from the phone, I got to put my code in. Okay, that's one of the problems. Lots of times I'll have the phone on the couch and need to turn on my phone and I don't have my face up against it, so I can't do Face ID. The Face ID works really well. It happens instantaneous. It's really good. And everybody's raving about the Face ID. So right here I'm in the App Store, I want to go to the home page. I don't have a button anymore. I used to click the button on my other phone. Now we swipe up, which totally messes with Snapchat and other applications that use the swipe up feature or the swipe right, swipe left, and all that. It seems like Apple's taking control of that stuff. So to go to the home screen, so let's say you're a few pages in and you swipe up, it takes you right to the home screen. If you swipe down this top corner right here on the right, it gives you the control center. You can control your music, you can go to airplane mode, the rotation. There's a button here now, and I don't know if it was on the older ones or if it just surfaced on the 12.1 or 12.01, excuse me, operating system, but you can record the call now. I didn't know if you knew that. There's also an Apple TV button, but here is important. How many times do we want to record a phone call and we were unable to, or we had to use a third-party application? Now there's a dot right there that will let you record anything on the phone. Now, if you did down the left side, how's that work? There it is. That's your notifications. Okay, as you can see, it tells me what number I just got a message from, but it doesn't unless I put it to my face. See, once it sees my face and unlocks the phone, then it expands the message. So you'll have compacted text messages. If it doesn't see my face, it looks like that. Let me show my face real quick. And when it sees my face, it shows the message wide open. The hardest thing I had to learn on this phone was how to change between apps. If you want to change between apps, you literally drag up and hold and then swipe over like this. So let me show you that again really quick. Okay, you drag up and hold it and it lets you go between apps. See it? And then you go through your whatever program you want or get rid of them if you don't want them. Okay? So, that's how you switch. You drag up and hold and then switch to what you want. Alright, so I've been using the camera like crazy. It's got a big lens on the back. So keep it clean. You do have to clean the lens face of it because dirt gets on that going in and out of your pocket. So before you film, clean your lens. Alright, get a good case. I also have a screen protector. Be sure to register your screen protector because if the screen protector cracks, I get a free one. It's got like a warranty on it. Let's say I want a screenshot of that. I'm going to squeeze this button, which is now the Siri button, and I'm going to squeeze the up volume at the same time. So here we go, ready? As you can see, there's the screenshot right there. So everybody wants to know about Animojis. Animojis they're okay, but they're only available in the message center. See this monkey right here, this monkey button, like a head of a monkey? That's where your Animojis are. I've done one on me, and I can be talking like this. You have to look straight into the phone to get your eyes just right, and then hold down the red button for recording. Check 1, 2. I love you very much. Thanks for watching Tech Time. See, so I can record myself on any animal I want. Now I know there's a lot of phone brands out there. There's Samsung and all that stuff. Let me tell you right now, which I'm not going to review it. I'm not going to buy it. But if I was an Android fan, I'd go with Pixel 3. The new Pixel 3 is beautiful. The reason I do that is because when I was on Samsung, I waited forever for updates. I'm like, seriously? You got to put all your bloatware in it first? It took like a year to get the latest. Since the Pixel 3 is a Google phone, you'll get it right away. So if you're an Android fan, go Pixel 3. If you're an iPhone fan, check out the iPhone XS Max. And only invest if you need to, all right? I love you guys. I'll see you on the next episode of Tech Time.